Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Camera for any Android device. First of all, guys, just go to Google and here search for GCam APK download. So that's one is the website here. Just scroll down and then guys we have to click on download now. After that guys just scroll and then click to Google Camera port 9.4. Now in this section we have the option of GCam 9.4 APK. But here we have the download links, and if you are using Samsung phone, so you can tap to Samsung phone. If you are using OnePlus, Realme, Xiaomi, we have all the links for these devices. So right now I have Xiaomi phone, so I am selecting Xiaomi. Now these are all the links, so I am suggesting you guys that the last one 8.8.224.10, that is the better. So just click on download link and then as you see it will start downloading. So as you guys see that it's downloaded now, just tap here and then click to APK installer. Then click install here guys and allow the permission. After that just click to the policies and now click OK. Now go back, then again click install. So as you see it is now installing and okay, and that's it. Now as you see it is already installed. Now go back to home and then let's see, this is the GCam and we can use it by here. So that's how we can install a GCam in any Android device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.